Okay, so after a couple of tasks that we have seen it work very well, let's go on and try the maximum possible autonomy to Taskmaster in Claude Code in one go. So we're going to do the state management, search, and sorting, three of them at the same time. The common system, we'll do this later, but at least these three tasks, we'll do it at the same time. So 8, 9, 10. I'm going to go and prompt here. Can you now implement task 8, 9, and 10 in one go? Okay, so this is ongoing. I will just tune in back as soon as it's done and see if I had to explain anything. And once we have a little bit more production going on, and then I will do a code review and kind of like under the camera explain a few small things if it got it wrong or if we need to implement it differently. So see you in a bit. This feels magical, guys. Like, look at that. It goes so fast. It goes on autonomy and it just works. And I believe it can go for multiple hours before getting stuck. Um, I expect if I run it again, these three should be in done mode, and then we can test it. There we go. It's done. Let's go and run it and test it. Product development has been changed forever with the current state of the art, and it's just a starting. Like literally, what we're seeing here is the product of like less than a year. Oh my god, there we go. We have like literally this entire setup in place. It has a search, so Amanda, wonderful. It is Ryan. It's absolutely right now on the front end. I understand that, but once we implement Supabase, then it will go on the back end. So there are small issues. I can see that when I scroll, the entire page scrolls, but those are small little things that we can see. That. Oh my God, this is absolutely what I was looking for. And here we go. We have added already in place. Sorting, the filter by date, the details were already there. And this is just like literally a few hours of work. So the future of our product developers are going to be different. It's not going to be a team of developers, a team of UX UI designers. It's going to be one person doing all of it. It's just the idea guys who are going to be building the next multiple uh, million euros or dollars in profit companies. And you got to be one of the pioneers because this technology is new and you're learning it this far. I'm so excited about the rest of this course. So let's go to the next video.